Bill's Backyard is a half-acre nature education space that was specially designed for kids to explore in their own hands-on and minds-on way, and for parents to have the opportunity to see how kids can navigate the natural world on their own. We're so excited to have had Valley Water support for this space because we wanted to role model for the community how you can create a really beautiful, lush environment, but with low water usage. So all of the plants in the space supported by the district are drought-tolerant native plants, and big pieces like our water harvesting system were supported by the grant as well. So to keep us using the least amount of water as possible, grant funds made that come to fruition. Bill's Backyard has turned out to be such a great place for the community. For kids, it's a place where they can play and feel safe and explore. And for parents, they get to see that they too can eliminate the thirsty grass and bring in native drought-tolerant plants, but still have a beautiful landscape that they really enjoy.